Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Suevs Hair Care channel. If you're looking for a natural way to grow longer, stronger and healthier hair, this DIY fenugreek and flaxseed leave-in conditioner is packed with nutrients your hair will love. So guys, we're starting off by putting quart cup of fenugreek into 2 cups of hot water of boiling water, and we're going to leave it, let it soak for 2 hours. You can also let it soak overnight if you choose to, but I am just going to let it soak for 2 hours. Guys, fenugreek is rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, which helps strengthen the hair shaft, reduce shedding, and promote growth. It also soothes a dry, itchy scalp and adds a natural shine to the hair. So, guys, now that my fenugreek has soaked in the water for 2 hours, I am now going to transfer it over into this pot of boiling water, but I'm not going to add all of the fenugreek seeds inside of it, as you can see, because I actually need some of the seeds to make a deep conditioner with, which I will put in another video. And I'm now adding some bay leaves into the water along with my flaxseed. Bay leaves is a great source of vitamin A and E, guys, and which are known to nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties of bay leaves can help combat dandruff and other scalp infection, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. Bay leaves also have anti-inflammatory properties which can soothe an irritated scalp and elevate itching. Bay leaves also have vitamins A, C, and B complex, as well as mineral like calcium, iron, and manganese, which can strengthen hair follicles, potentially reducing breakage and split ends. So, guys, now that the flaxseed, fenugreek, and bay leaves is finished boiling, I am just going to strain it over into this bowl. I strain it over when it's hot because it's harder to strain when you leave it to cool down. So I'm not going to throw away these seeds. I am going to boil them one more time, and I'm going to also strain them over back into this bowl again, because you don't have to throw away the flax seeds as soon as you finish boiling it. You can boil it over again, so you can see the amount that I got from boiling the flaxseed, fenugreek, and the bay leaves twice, and you can see it's really thick, guys. So now I'm just going to pour back some of the gel mixture into this measuring cup, and I am going to set that aside because, as I said, I am going to make a deep conditioner also with this mixture. So while I'm doing that, I will tell you some of the benefits of flaxseed. Flax seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acid and vitamins E, which nourishes your hair follicles, reduce breakage and add slip for easier detangling. So this, guys, what I'm doing, it can use as a leave-in conditioner as well as a detangler. So now I am just transferring the mixture into a bigger bowl because that bowl is too small for me to make the leave-in conditioner in. So guys, this is still hot. This mixture is still hot, and I am adding some shea butter inside of it. I do not know the exact measurement of this shea butter, but it's probably around like 4 tablespoons of shea butter I'll be adding in here. I just eyeball it. I didn't really get a measurement of it. So I'm just like breaking it in these pieces so that it can be easier to melt. And as I said before, this mixture, it's still hot. Like I didn't let it cool down at all. And now I am storing it so that the shea butter can melt in it. So shea butter is rich in fatty acids which deeply moisturize the hair and scalp, combating dryness and brittleness. It helps to hydrate dry and damaged hair, making it softer and more manageable. It can help to seal in moisture, preventing moisture loss and keeping hair hydrated for longer. Shea butter is rich in vitamin A and E, which are essential for maintaining hair strength and resilience. It can help to strengthen hair follicles and reduce breakage, potentially promoting hair growth. So, guys, now I am going in with an immersion blender. I don't know why. This was the closest one to my hand, so I just decided that I would use it. And while I was using it, I realized that it's adding a lot of air into the mixture, and I'm like, I don't think I want this in my leave-in conditioner. So then I switched this blender to a hand mixer, to my hand mixer, so that I can continue mixing this. So guys, shea butter also had anti-inflammatory properties which can help to soothe an irritated scalp, reducing itching and flaking. So now I am going in with some olive oil. I think it's about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now I'm going in with my essential oils. I'm going in with tea tree essential oils. Tea tree essential oils offered several benefits for hair and scalp health due its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. So now I'm going in with some peppermint essential oils. Peppermint essential oils can stimulate hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp, potentially leading to thicker and stronger hair. It also helps to balance the sebum production, relieving dryness and itchiness, and has antimicrobial and anti inflammatory properties that can combat dandruff and scalp irritation. Additionally, it can protect against environmental damages and provide a refreshing, cooling sensation. So, guys, I am now continuing to blend in all of the essential oils that I just put into the mixture. And yeah, that's what I'll be doing until it's finished. And you can see that this is not coming in thick. That's because I don't want it to be thick. If you want your leave-in conditioner to be thicker, you can add more shea butter inside of it. But I do not want my leave-in conditioner to be thick. I don't want it to be like a cream. I want it to be a leave-in conditioner. So, guys, now I am just adding some vitamin E oil inside of it because vitamin E oil helps the oil that I put in this leave-in conditioner help to prevent it from growing rancid. And vitamin E oil is also really good for the hair, and it's a anti it has antibacterial properties. So now I am going in with my preservative. I mean, if you don't have preservative to add in this leave-in conditioner, that's fine. You can just stop at using the vitamin E oil and you can just put it in the fridge and it will last for up to 2 weeks in the fridge. But after that, guys, I wouldn't advise that you use it. I would just advise that after 10 days max, you just throw it out because it won't be good anymore. So that's why I'm adding the preservative in mine, because I won't be putting it in the fridge, and second of all, I want it to last me for a very long time. Not really long, because it'll be me and my 2 daughters who will be using this, so it won't last long. But yeah, so guys, now I am just going to transfer it over into my container. Guys, look at how this leave-in conditioner is looking. I mean, you know that it's from that it's made from flaxseed, and you can see the slippage that this leave-in conditioner have. I mean, I just enjoy the way how it was just like going down in the bottle. So guys, I hope, let me know in the comments below if you will try this. Try making this flaxseed and fenugreek leave-in conditioner. And also, if you love using flaxseed in your hair or fenugreek in your hair. I mean, fenugreek is great when it comes to hair growth. Fenugreek is great in promoting hair growth. And I mean, after using this leave-in conditioner in your hair, you'll feel how soft your hair feels. So I get an 8 ounce bottle of leave-in conditioner and 2 ounce bottle of leave-in conditioner from this mixture. And guys, these are just bottles that I reuse because I like to reuse and recycle my bottles. Like, I don't throw them away, I just reuse them. So you can see. So say goodbye to dry, brittle, and hello to moisture and growth with this powerful natural leave-in conditioner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY hair care recipes. Until next time.